At Alief Independent School District, excellence in education extends beyond the classroom. It's reflected in every safe, functional, and welcoming environment across our campuses. Behind the scenes, our maintenance team plays a critical role in supporting daily operations across the district. Their expertise ensures that our schools remain safe, efficient, and ready for learning every single day. From routine maintenance to urgent repairs, their work requires precision, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to service. Often working early mornings, late evenings, and in all conditions, they help create the environments where students and staff can thrive. Their contributions may not always be visible, but their impact is felt in every corner of our district. Today, we recognize and celebrate the individuals who keep Alief ISD running. Your work matters, your dedication is valued, and your impact does not go unnoticed. Happy Maintenance Appreciation Day from all of us at Alief Independent School District. Thank you for everything you do to support our schools and community.